An episode I have waited for months to film is finally coming true. Oh, I'm so excited. If you can't tell from my t-shirt that I am wearing and from my Dr. Pepper that is sitting here, along with a Pepsi and a Mountain Dew that are off to the side, we are going to be painting with soda. Oh yeah. So, in case my joy at this occasion wasn't, blatantly obvious enough, I'm excited. One, it means I got to open a new Dr. Pepper, which is always good. Two, I'm going to be using a Pepsi that my dad has left out over here, and a Mountain Dew. So it also means I'll be drinking the Dr. Pepper and the Mountain Dew after this video or during it. So I'm just gonna get like super sugared up and caffeine. It's gonna be great. So I hope you guys stick around. I hope you guys enjoy. My idea going into this is pretty much that we're going to be doing some kind of like 3 different people that will be dressed up in like Dr. Pepper outfit, Pepsi outfit, and Mountain Dew outfit. So like 3 types of people. I have no idea if that's how we're gonna do this or if it will just become something else. So let's get started, guys. And remember to like and subscribe below so that we can keep our little art sprites growing. Art sprites growing. The Dr. Pepper's already hitting my system, and I already had a Mountain Dew before this, so there's that. But let's get started, guys. So in case you guys are wondering, I'm just doing an outline here so that I have it. I am going to be putting in my 3 different, so I have some water right here to dilute if I need to. It is going to be up here at the top. I have some Pepsi. As anyone who watches my channel knows, I am not sponsored. If anyone would like to reach out to me, let me know. But there is some Pepsi. It's a lot more diluted than I thought it was going to be, in all honesty. Oh, sorry about that audio jump. There is some Mountain Dew. Uh-oh. Shoot. Okay, well. Gonna have to do a new paper. There's some Mountain Dew. Don't mind me. And then here is some Dr. Oh, frick. Frick. Both of those 2 were really full. Darn, I had to drink more Dr. Pepper. How unfortunate. So there is the 3 I will be using. I'm actually going to trade out, so it will be Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, and Mountain Dew as our 3 colors we're going to be doing, as well as water to dilute. So yeah, I'm going to trade out which page this is really quick. Well, maybe, unless I can save it. Hold on. Let me see if I can... Well, first of all, that's not good if the Mountain Dew doesn't leave enough of a residue to tell any difference. I might have to change pages still. Anyway, so that's how I'm going to start. I do have my favorite paintbrushes that I use for... Sorry, I just smelled the one because these are from my painting with perfume video, and they still smell really bad. I have quite a few that I actually use for doing different things. So these are my crap paintbrushes. I use them for all of the tutorials where anything is painted with something that smells. Or in this case, soda that's going to be sticky. So with that said, let us get started. So what I really wanted to do here was I kind of wanted to do not necessarily like a stereotypical of what or how people look who drink the different types of these drinks, but I just wanted to have some fun, so I went with a Mountain Dew of kind of a rocker look to him. And then I went with kind of a snazzy, I would almost say like repartee gallery woman, and then a kind of more business suited man for the Pepsi, and I really had a lot of fun. You know, it's surprising how not, I expected soda to really be able to concentrate the color like coffee kind of does, but it was very light. It was a very light look to everything, and the Mountain Dew did almost nothing. So in the end I kind of mixed a few of them just so I could get some different colors and some different layers. And it was kind of, you know, painting with soda was fine, but I honestly think painting with dirt and coffee and even perfume worked out better than painting with soda. But I really enjoyed doing this. I loved doing the characterization of this. And if you guys want to see more of these kind of weird off-the-wall, you know, painting with different kinds of things, let me know. I already have planned just a little sneak preview for Halloween. There will be a painting with fake blood coming up. That was my dog. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Sorry the light gets kind of weird. It was sunset and I had to change my lighting setup, but that is the finished product. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. I just wanted to pour them all together at the end because I thought it would be fun, because you know, that's what you do. So be sure guys to like and subscribe, hit that little bell notification, be sure to let me know how you like this video, what your favorite soda drink is, and as I said, subscribe right here. And make sure that if you enjoy this to share with your friends, let that random guy on the street know about it, and just remember I love you guys, and here's some more videos right over here that you can check out. Have a great day guys, love you, see you later, bye!